and phishing. Spyware is a secret software in the computer which steals the information in our computer. It steals our work or data stored in our computer. It steals our personal details, what we search online, and what data is stored online by us is also stolen. Spyware steals this information and illegally sells it to advertising companies and agencies or to some data companies. These companies and agencies make misuse of our personal information. This may cause us social damage. Spyware software can also corrupt the files in our computer. Our important files can be lost to us because of this spyware. It can also damage the computer. How to protect our computer from spyware? 1. Do not open emails received from unknown persons. 2. Do not download any file or program from any website which is not authentic. 3. Do not click any advertisement which pops online. 4. Install an antivirus software of a renowned company in the computer. On a daily basis, run the antivirus software and scan your computer. Adware. Adware is a kind of spyware software. This software keeps track of what we search on the internet or what we download. And whenever we are online, this adware software shows us advertisement of things related to what we search on the internet. We are asked to click on these advertisements. When we click on these advertisements, it tends to damage our computer. It also reduces the speed of our computer. The precautions which we take for the security against spyware must be taken for adware also. Phishing. Phishing means stealing someone's personal details. Our personal details, our bank account details, our passwords, etc., are asked for. To acquire these details, a fake bank email or message are sent. If these emails or messages are replied storing these details, the person suffers a financial loss. Safety precautions against phishing. 1. Do not click on any email asking bank account number. 2. Do not give your personal information online. 3. To stop receiving fake emails as shown in the video, click on unsubscribe button.